Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/19 by 1/20. Let's break it down step by step to make sure it's really clear. Firstly, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/19, where 1 is the numerator, meaning the top number of the fraction, and 19 is the denominator, or the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 19 equal parts. Now, take a look at the second fraction, 1/20. Here, 1 is again the numerator, and 20 is the denominator. This fraction represents one part out of 20 equal parts. To multiply these two fractions, we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 19 times 20 gives us 380. Therefore, 1/19 multiplied by 1/20 equals 1/380. And there you have your final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/380 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math help. Thanks for watching.